Hello all. Hopefully you are doing well today. Yesterday we talked about the line of best fit. So your one question is just how do you create a line of best fit? Today what we're going to do is you're still going to plot your scatter plot. You're still going to find the line of best fit. Once you find the line of best fit, you're going to write an equation for that line. Now remember, when we want to write an equation of a line, we put it in the form y equals mx plus b here. And m is my slope, and remember slope is rise over run. Oops, rise over run here. And b is your y-intercept. Your y-intercept is wherever your line crosses the y-axis. Okay? So we're going to practice that a little bit, and it'll be a good refresher for algebra. You'll be ready and we're going to go, okay? So my first one here, it just asks what is the equation of the line of best fit. So I have this line, the data's already plotted and the line's already plotted. Now, remember yesterday I told you to, well actually Monday, sorry, draw your line of best fit on at least 2 points that are easy, okay? So if I look at this line, I can kind of see right here is a point and right here is a point, okay? And remember, I want to put it in y equals mx plus b. So the first thing I want to find is b. b is my y-intercept. So if I'm looking at this, I'm going to zoom in a little bit so you can't see right away. I can kind of see it's pretty close to about 79 where that is intersecting, okay? And that weird blue dot there, okay? So my b is 79. So I'm going to have y equals some number x plus 79, okay? And x is my slope. Now, slope is rise over run, so if I'm rising, these are counting by 5, so this is 5, 10, 15, 20. So it's going to be 20 over, now this is only by 1, so it's going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now remember, when I go back this way, it's negative. So it's 20 divided by negative 5, so get y equals negative 4x plus 79. Okay, grab my calculator out. Now the next step that they're going to make you do, they're going to make you predict a different number that's not on your graph at all, okay? So it says predict what the resting heart rate will be at 10 hours of exercise. Now hours is here, right? So they want to know if I plotted number 10, where would it be on my graph? Now notice here your graph is skipping from 0 to 45, so there's actually a lot of data points left here. And really they should have had a squiggle here to kind of represent that. So it's not going to be like a negative number because it's resting heart rate per minute, okay? So they want 10 hours, right? So x is 10. So I'm going to plug that into my equation. So I have y equals negative 4x plus 70. But now instead of writing x, I'm going to write a 10 in parentheses. So now I have negative 40 plus 79. So when I am at 10 hours of exercise per week, my resting heart rate will be at 39 beats per minute. Okay. All right, let's try it again. Okay. This is basketball stats. This is the minutes played versus the points scored. Okay. What is the equation of the line of best fit here? Now if I look, now this line isn't perfectly drawn here. Okay. But we can see that if I keep going on this line here, it's going to go to 0. So my y-intercept for y equals mx plus b, b is 0. So I have y equals some number x plus 0. Okay. Now x again, I'm going to find my 2 points. And these aren't points that are actually plotted on the graph already. I'm finding points that are nice in these intersections. See how this guy is on this intersection nice and this intersection nice? It just helps everything go smoothly, okay? Now if you can't see these on your page, this is 4, 8, 12, 16. So these are going by 4s here. And these are also going by 4s, okay? So if I do rise, so I'm going to do up 1, 2, so that's actually up 8 because it's 4 per each. And then 1, 2, 3, so this is actually 12 because it's 4 each. So rise is 8 over 12, and this is all in positive motions. So I have y equals 8 over 12 can be reduced to 2 over 3 because 4 goes into 8 twice, 4 goes into 12 3 times. So I get y equals 2/3 x plus 10. And then, oh, I'm sorry, you cannot see any of that. I apologize. So rise over run. I reduced rise over run. 4 goes into 8 twice. 4 goes into 12 3 times, and we're left with that. Now it says predict how many points will be scored after 50 minutes of play. So 50 minutes of play. Minutes of play is my x value. Okay. So I'm going to plug in 50 for x. So I have y equals 2/3 times 50 plus 10. And you can use handy dandy calculator. So I'm going to do 2 divided by 3, because that's how you write a fraction in a calculator, times 50. I'm going to add 10. So since it's points, we don't have decimal points, right? So it's about 43 points. So y is approximately 43 points. Okay. So when we play for 50 minutes, it's about 43 points. Okay. That's all you have to do for today. So once today's questions will actually have you plot the scatter plot, create a line of best fit, then find the equation of the line of best fit, and then predict something that's happening, okay? So you'll have multiple steps in your homework. Have a wonderful day. Good luck. Bye-bye.